this video, I'm going to show you how I updated my fireplace. So what I'm doing here is I'm mixing my paint with the water. I want to color wash my fireplace. So I'm mixing my paint, which is Raw Silk by Fusion Mineral Paint, into water, applying it to the brick. I also wanted to create a variation of colors from the whites to a gray. I started here with a brush, applying some soapstone by Fusion Mineral Paint as well. Here what I'm doing is I'm just adding some color. I just want some bricks to be brighter than others. So that's what I'm doing here. Doing this by adding some paint to the brick to make it brighter than the others. And I always recommend to step back and look and see where you need more paint or less paint, or even blending. You can go back with your mix water with paint and go over it and try to blend the colors. So here I'm just applying more of the soapstone just to create that shadowing effect on the brick, and blending as I go. So I soon realized I didn't like the look I was getting with the brush, and it was hard to control, so I decided to switch with the sponge. Sponge made a big difference. It gave me that authentic look, and it was much easier to blend. So at this point, I'm liking it, but not loving it. So I started blending colors, making sure everything was cohesive, and somewhat I felt like it didn't look finished. So the next day I came back and I applied some white in between the bricks, only in the grout, and that was the finishing touch I needed to make this fireplace look finished. It definitely gave me that nice, crisp finish. So I decided to go with Ash by Fusion Mineral Paint, and I think that it tied everything so well together. I didn't show in the video, but I painted the brick tiles on the floor white. I used Lamp White by also Fusion Mineral Paint, and I used this nice Spanish tile stencil that I had laying around, and I just stenciled my tiles, and as you can see, I went in some spot darker than others, just because, as you know, sometimes in the tiles you get some tiles that are brighter than others, so I wanted to create authentic tile look. So this is how it looks, and then I go back and also, like I did on the brick fireplace, I painted the grout on the tiles. That gave me that crisp look, and it looks like individual tiles. So to finish it off, I applied some Tough Coat by Fusion Mineral Paint just to add more protection to the tile. This was a well-needed transformation.